Hello everyone, it's 13th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have other options if peace efforts don't work. Muttaqi warns Pakistan. Moving forward, we have in Delhi NCR, air quality to turn poor by midweek. Farm fires picking up, very important for environment perspective. Capital on track for highest ever tally. Minister on clean air days, again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have Canada Foreign Minister arrives to meet Jai Shankar Goel today, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have as Taliban stamp presence at embassy with their flag. Old Afghan staffers fear reprisal, again very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have as Bihar heads for its shortest poll in 20 years. Do phases make a difference? Very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have this whole page dedicated to this one news. Transforming women's lives in Uttar Pradesh. Again, very important. Mission Shakti. Moving forward, we have this editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination. The first editorial says good diplomacy, good business. Very important for international relations perspective. Then we have power of green. Renewable energy has registered significant progress this year. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have this Diwaliya Hanuman leap propelled by scale, skill and self-reliance. That's India's answer to the return of protectionism. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have to mend a broken system. Rebuilding trust in public services recruitment exams needs tech-led overhaul. Again, very important. Then we have Bagram in the new grade game. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have dozens killed in border clashes between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have aid to enter Gaza as Israel Hamas prepare for hostage prisoner swap. Then we have China defense curbs on rare earth exports. Then we have Zelensky Trump discuss bolstering Kyiv's air defense. Then we have French Prime Minister faces tight deadline to form government. Lastly, Philippines and China trade accusations over SCS vessel clash. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have this economy page. There has never been a bullet train project that was never completed. Very important for economy perspective. Then we have as F&O trading remains a draw for retail investors, a look at risk involved, again very important for economy perspective. Then we have India's 4G stack export ambition, counter to China's digital Silk Road, again very important for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have quantum leap by Indian researchers in boosting digital security, very important for science and tech perspective. Lastly, we have the grain of ethanol production, very important for economic perspective. And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.